everyone and welcome to Edunext Academy again. I am Maani and I am going to discuss about mathematics from your textbook NCERT mathematics. Last class I have discussed about nth term, sum of nth term AP, and I have discussed a few examples. Okay, but today I am going to solve your exercise questions. Now let us discuss about question number 4 from your chapter 5. That means 3, exercise 5.3, chapter 5. Okay, so now this question number 4, it is given that how many terms of AP are there, which total sum is 636. So here AP is given, solution is AP is given, that is 9, 17, 25 and so on. And the final sum of AP, that is S of n, is given 636. We have to calculate this n. Then how to calculate? So S of n, the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term, d is the common difference. Okay. So here a is 9. So here a is 9, b is that is 8. Okay. Now let us put this value in this equation. And S of n given, that is 636. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Okay, so you know how to solve this. I am solving here. Uh, 636 is equal to n by 2, 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. So if we go step by step, then it will come as let us to multiply here. This will be 1272 is equal to n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay. Now again solve. That is 18 minus 8, that is 10. And it's n into 10 plus 8n is equal to 1272. Okay. Now we will get a quadratic equation here because this is 10n plus 8n square is equal to 72. Okay, got it? We can rearrange. We can take the power, highest power first of in the first place. This is equal to 8n square plus 10n is equal to 1272. Now this 8, 10 and 1272, that means 1272, these are the multiple of 2. So we can take 2 common. Okay. So that means this will be 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and you know how to find out the root. So we have to find out what is n. Okay. So from this quadratic equation, we know how to solve it. N is equal to minus b, this is the formula, plus minus b square minus 4ac square root of divided by 2. So after solving, here this is b, this is a, and this is c. Okay, you have to put all the value here. So this will be minus 8n square. Yes. This will be minus b. B is here 5. Okay. Plus minus b square minus 4ac. So final answer will be as 13. Okay, I am just writing the final answer here. You know how to put the value A, B, C and the 2A, because here there are 13 terms, that is 8, 17, 25 and 33, and so there are 13 terms will be there here. Whenever you add the 13 term, that means A is 13 will be equal to 636. So your answer is. Now let us discuss about question number 5. It's a very pretty and very interesting question also. Very tricky question is also there. So you need to understand how to solve this problem. Okay. So here given question number 5 here given first term is 5. So A is given 5. Last term is given 45. That means A is 45. Okay. You have to find out, and sum is given. Sum S of n given 400. You know 400 is given. Okay. So we have to find out what is the common difference. Now in this case, I have to put another formula. Here S of n is equal to n by 2 n plus n. Now we have to find out what is n. Okay. So now it is given 400. Now 400 is equal to n by 2 into n is your last term 45 plus first term, that is 5. So after solving, I got what? This is n is equal to 2 into 400, that is 800 divided by 50. So I got 16 and I got here. Okay. So now another formula you need to remember that how to. This is a shortcut method. Okay. Now D, how to find out difference. If A is given, L is given and N find out, then D is equal to N minus A divided by N minus 1. Here N got from this formula. You have to remember this formula and you have to remember this tricky formula. Okay. So you just put here, that is D is equal to A is 45. A is given 5 and here 16, and you found out here n is equal to 16, then multiply. That is 40 by 15. So after solving you will get 8 by 3. So here common difference is 8 by 3. Okay. Again I am repeating. First term is 5. Last term is 45. First term A is 5. A is 45. Now, and S of n total sum is given. Now you have to find out what is the shortcut formula for S of n. S of n is equal to n by 2 n plus a, because how sum depends upon last term and first term. This formula you need to remember. Okay. Now you just put all the value whatever given, then find out n. Now after finding out n, another formula is how to find out d here. So common difference d is equal to n minus a divided by n minus 1. So very simple but tricky. Okay, you need to remember. Now let us discuss about question number 6. Question number 6 given that the first term and last term are 17 and 350, and difference is also given. You are asked to find out how many numbers of terms are there and what is the sum. So solution, the formula for finding out number of terms L is equal to N minus A divided by D plus 1 divided by D plus 1. Now L is given, A is given, D is also given. So what is L? Now this is equal to 350 minus first term is your 17 divided by D is 9 plus 1. After solving, you get n is equal to 38. Okay. Now, if n is 38, then you have to find out number of terms. There are 38 numbers of terms are there. Then you have to find out what is the sum. That is n is 38. Very simple. The formula is n by 2 n plus n. Okay. That is 38 by 2. L is given, that is 350 plus 70. Now after solving this, you will get the final answer is 6970. If you multiply this and after multiplying, you will get the final answer is 6970. Okay. Now see, it is a very tricky question also. Okay, very important question for your examination point of view. The question is given: find the sum of first 22 terms. That means in a P there are 22 terms are there. That means n is given here 22. That means n is 22. And 27 term, final term l is equal to, that is 27 l is equal to 149. Okay. And the difference is also given 7. Then how to find out? How to find out is 22. That means sum of the 22 numbers. So solution is, how to solve this? Now given A22 is equal to 149. It is given. Okay. Now what is the first term A or A1? Okay. So now the first term A is equal to A22 minus 21D. Before 22, there must be a 21D. It should be multiplied with 3. This particular thing you need to remember, because in various problems, various conditions should be there, and according to various conditions, we need to apply our own brain. Okay, so it is given 147 minus 21 into D is given here 7. Now after solving, we get the A is that means A is 2. How? Now this is 147 minus 1, and this is 149. Sorry, this is 149 minus 147. That is 2. Okay. Now we need to find out, when D is 7, A is 2. We need to find out what is the sum of 22 terms. That is nothing but n by 2. N is 22 here. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. You know this n is 22. Okay. So that is 22 by 2. 2 into A, I got what? 2 plus n minus 22 minus 1 into D is 7. Okay. So when after solving, this is 11 and this is 11 into the final answer is 151. The final answer is 1661. Okay. Now you see, this is a shortcut method that you can solve a big problem. Okay. Very tricky, very interesting question, very important questions for your examination point of view. Okay. It looks very lengthy, but whenever you apply some trick, it will be easier for you. Such type of questions will come in your examination. So please watch my video carefully. Next question we are going to solve question number 8. Now let us discuss question number 8. You are given that the sum of first 51 terms, you have to find out if second term and third term is given as 14 and 18. That means A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term. Okay. So you know from the very beginning I have told about, if A is the first term, then what will be the second term? Okay. That means A plus D is the second term. It is given 14. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, second term, third term is equal to A plus 2D is given 18. I have already discussed this type of problem in my previous class. If you want to check, you can follow my previous video also. Now let us solve this. Subtracting this, I got what? D minus 2d, that is minus d is equal to minus 4. This implies d is equal to 4. So then I have to find out what is a first term here. Now put this value in equation 1. Now putting the d, value of d in equation 1. Equation 1, if I put the value of d here, equation 1, then a plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay. Now this implies a is equal to 10. Okay, here I am writing. So now I got what? D is equal to 4. I got a is equal to 10. D is equal to 4. And I have to find out what is AS 51. So here n is equal to 51. This is n. 51. What is the formula? Formula is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you know what is a. A is equal to 10, d is equal to 4 and n is equal to 51. So 51 by 2 whole into 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d is 4 here. Okay. Now you know how to solve. This is a general equation and general addition, subtraction, multiplication. You can do it. So I am writing the final answer. S is equal to S51 is equal to what is that? 5610. This is the final answer. Now let us solve question number 9. Now question number 9 given S7 49, S17 289. We need to find out what is the sum of what is S of n. Okay. So how to solve this? Now S7. How to write that? That is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So here n is 7, that is 7 by 2. That is 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Okay. So after solving, I got that is 2a plus 60 is equal to 14. Okay. Let it be question 1. Okay. Now another question is given. F17 is equal to 289. Okay. Now similarly I can write here 17 by 2 for this. Okay. 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. So after solving I got 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. Now one by one you can you can solve at your home. Okay. So the two equations I got here. First one is after solving I got two equations. 2a plus 6b is equal to 14. Let it be equation 1. Then 2a plus 16b is equal to 34, equation 2. Now solving this equation. So how to know? You know how to solve it? Cancel out. That is minus 10d is equal to minus 2d. Now d is equal to how much? D is equal to 2. Okay. Now you can put this d is equal to any of the equation 1 or 2. Suppose put this equation D in equation 1. So what is coming? Now 2 into A plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14. Right? So this 2A is equal to 2. Because 12 if you take outside, that will be 14 minus 12, that is 2. So this implies A is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have to find out Sn. Okay. So what is Sn? N is not calculated here. We have to just put the formula. So Sn is nothing but n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Right? So now I got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Okay, a I don't know. Okay, so now putting this Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2 here. Okay, so after solving, I got s of n is equal to n square. Okay, because if you see here, this 2 into 2 into 1 is, that is 2 plus 2n minus 2. Cancel out. N by 2 into 2n, that is n by 2 into 2n. Cancel out, that is n square. S of n is equal to n square. Now let us test whether this S of n is equal to n square satisfying or not. We have given S of 7 is equal to 49. Now you know this is nothing but 7 square. Okay, the 7 square is 49. So this is the right answer. If you want to test whether that particular thing is coming under SN square, you also find out that. That is 17 square is equal to 289. So both the sum are satisfying the formula. Sn should be equal to is equal to n square, right? So in this way you solve your textbook questions. Now again let us solve another question, that is question number 10. Now see, question number 10 is given that show that A1, A2, A3 up to form an AP for a given An is 3 plus 4n. Obviously An term will come. Okay. So that An is given 3 plus 4n. If such type of equation is given, such type of condition is given, that means An is the last term. Obviously, we don't know. We have to find out what is difference and first term. Then we can find out the 15th term sum. Okay. So now, how to solve this? So given N is equal to 3 plus 4n. Let it be equation 1. Okay. Now, what is the next term of after n? Obviously, it will be an plus 1. Okay, next term an plus 1. So, what will be? That is 3 plus 4. In place of n, it will be n plus 1. Let this be equation 1. If you take the difference between the next term and previous term, you will get the difference. Okay. Now, d is equal to equation 2 minus equation 1. So 2 minus equation 1. That means 3 plus 4 n plus 1 minus 3 plus 4n. Right. So after solving this particular equation, I got d is equal to 4. Understand? Then I have to find out what is the first term. First term means when n is equal to 1. Okay. So now let us solve the first term. The first term will be a1. That means in place of n we have to put 1. So it has been given that what an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Now a1 in place of 1 for the first term n is equal to 1 will be 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. So here d I got 4, 7 I got first term I got 7, and I have to find out a sub n. So n is given 15. I got all the terms required to find out what is sum of the nth terms, that means 15 terms. So a is 15 is equal to n by 2, that is 15 by 2 whole into 2a, that is 2 into a is 7 plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into d, each 4, d is 4. Okay, so after solving I can find out a sub 15. Okay, so now a is 15. This is 525. This is the final answer. I hope you understand the problem whatever I solved here. I skip problem number 1, 2, 3, very similar, because if you want that I should solve question number 1, 2 and 3, you can message me, or else in the next video I will solve 1, 2, 3. Okay, so stay with us. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because subscription is very important, because if you don't subscribe, my next videos notification will not be reach at you. If you want that if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe and stay with us and watch my next video, in which I may solve the question number 1, 2, 3 from this exercise 5.3. And thank you for watching my video.